Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Pinterest Inspiration Collaboration hosted by Kimber Creations here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box. So we're in March, and I know in January I said I was going to do embossing stuff, but I was inspired by jewelry. So that's what we have, some jewelry. This is the first one, a pair of earrings. Most of the jewelry you'll ever see will be earrings and bracelets. Another pair of earrings and another pair of earrings. We're gonna go in for a closer look. I'm tired of playing with paper right now. I've been cutting paper for the last couple of days, so I decided to do something different, and this is what I came up with. This one looks like a little cape floating. Looks like Pac-Man, but anyway, that's just me. Please check out everyone else in the description box. See what they have created. I'm sure it's something amazing. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.